Right, folks, today we're going to be replacing this here filter in this Aprilaire or Aprilaire, if you're French. I don't know what it is, but anyhow, there's an air filter in there, and we got a replacement. And basically, the steps are: you turn off your system so that it ain't blowing none. You pop this door off and slide that drawer out, and then you pull out the old filter. And well, why don't we just get into it? Here we go. All right, so let's go ahead and pop this off here. And you can see this model I got is the 1410, I suppose. And it lists what sort of filters you can use there. And I think we got the 416 style for the allergens, because we got the cat dander up in here. And so there she is. Now there's a track that the top slides into on the top and the bottom. Now when I asked them, they assured me this pipe was out of the way on the bottom here when I got this system down. It looks like it'll clear. So anyway, you just kind of slide that right on out. She's not too dirty, a little bit though. And you'll take note of the airflow direction. That's important. You want that pointing towards your furnace blower. Yeah, it's kind of nasty. All right. Okay, new filter time here. I'm going to try to do this one-handed. I mainly get to expand it here and get my top in the little grooves. Maybe. Ooh, that sounds crunchy. I gotta line up the bottom too before I go too far. Alright, can you see what I'm looking at? Because I sure can't. Alright, hang on. Alright, pro tip, get your bottom started first, and then you can actually see what you're doing up here on the top to get that started. Oh, for fuck's sake, it came off on the bottom. Okay, maybe this here is a two-hand operation, I think. Yep. Alright, for crying out loud. Got her started. She's in the track on both the top and the bottom. Got my airflow pointing in the right direction. Slide that back in there. And then we just put the door back on. Why got cat? Get your dander in there. Just like that? Yeah, I guess so. Looks like it's gapping here. But, alright, that'll about do it. Check us out next time.